Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thanksgiving Day at my house. It's November 28, 2019. And we have a lot of food. Normally we don't have rolls, but this year we have rolls and a lot of drinks, different flavors like sparkling cider. And we have the traditional food like fried rice, lo mein, and egg rolls and hoi tung. I don't know what to say in English anyway. And we have pomon cone, and we have like mashed potato, apple pie, and squash, and a big turkey. Normally we have one turkey, but this year we have two turkeys, and we have hams too, honey hams. That's my sister-in-law make it this year, actually last year too. Today my family, all his, and my baby brothers and his wives are coming, and my brother Chams, all my three kids, Tommy, Rebecca, and Cord, and her boyfriend Nick, and my sister-in-laws, Janine, my mom, my other brothers here too. This year very special years. That's my grandson's lucky sack, his first Thanksgiving years. We all welcome him into the family.
It's okay. We got it.
Okay, got it? Yeah.
Spin it. There you go.
Okay.
We're not eating it, right?
Eating right now.
So Courtney, what are you feeding Lucky on this Thanksgiving? Has Lucky had a Thanksgiving before? Has
No.
Lucky eaten a turkey before?
So this is Lucky's first Thanksgiving. We got him a few days after Thanksgiving last year. So he can only eat some things. He can't really eat a lot, but we know for a fact he can eat some turkey, but the white meat only. He cannot have any of the skin.
You could eat whatever I decide to.
For that.
What? I want to play with it.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. How many pounds of turkey this year, please?
This one is 21, roughly. Pretty big. Big family.
21 pounds.
About 21 pounds. Yeah.
What time did it go into the oven today, or last night?
3 o'clock. Almost 6 hours, believe it or not. Crazy. At 350 degrees.
Did you pick it out yourself and slice the throat, or did someone already prep it for you?
Got it from the backyard.
Yeah, I went to the backyard and we got it was kind of big.
Actually, it's lucky.
And then we just like chopped it, sliced the neck off, and then happy Thanksgiving.
Actually, I don't think it's lucky.
No, it's at a Stop Shop, basically. Turkey and honey ham.
We got ham too this year, too?
Yep, it's honey ham. Just Dan made it. Oh, okay.
Okay, now we can fast. Here you go. Hi.
What do you mean?
Kiki, how many pounds of food did you eat?
17 pounds. Cause it's like 22, so like, yeah. You didn't eat.
ខ្ញុំមានការសប្បាយរីករាយនៅពេលដែលបុណ្យ Thanksgiving ជារៀងរាល់ឆ្នាំដែលម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំតែងតែធ្វើម្ហូបហើយនឹងជួយដល់កូនចៅគ្រប់គ្នាហើយម្ហូបតែងតែមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់គ្រប់ពេលវេលាហើយមានសេចក្តីត្រេកអរដែលបងប្អូននិងញាតិមិត្តតែងតែមកជុំគ្នាជារៀងរាល់ឆ្នាំហើយសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នករាល់គ្នានឹង enjoy មានការចូលរួមសប្បាយរីករាយទាំងអស់គ្នាជារៀងរាល់ឆ្នាំនៅពេលដែលបុណ្យ Thanksgiving